Next message.
Met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta, New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know this. You make it easy to blow this, you know this. Perking the ass for me, shaped like a glass for me. It's like I knew what I liked.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna
cause jealousy, they don't know about this feeling.
I'm getting old. Cause look how far back I got this chair. I got this chair in the back seat like a straight up nigga. I don't even use the chair. I don't know. Is this a sign I'm getting old? Because like I had it back to take a nap at work. And then I got in the car to leave Sunday. And yeah, I've been driving like this since Sunday. I don't know how I feel about it, but you know, it's not a problem. But I don't got no back issues so far, so baby, I'm gonna be driving like a whole nigga for sure if this helps me and my back in the car. That's a fact. One thing about me, I'm a cookie monster. And instead of going to a salmon cookie, I went to Randall's. I got my chocolate chip cookie and the almond raisin cookies. Bitch, freshly made, bitch. Freshly made, baby. Hands down. And they still taste good to me. Even after 100 years of not working there. Baby, yes. But I will still splurge on my insomnia cookies. But at least now I know what I would have to get every time. And of course, me being me, it's always going to be expensive. So yeah, I'll get my insomnia cookies when I really want to splurge on myself. But baby, for the time being, until I actually make my own, yes, because this is me just being lazy, honestly. But I'm gonna make my cookies. Like, I'm gonna make them. Mr. Snoopy here done got to see all his people today, and he had a girl gush over him, and he got excited over that. He just had him a good old day with everybody. Look what happens when you good. Look what God do.
Hey, Shabba. That's nuts, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Yeah. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it.
Every time I look at him now, I can't help but see my second ex. And, like, this is how he would be if I would have married him. Like, body language, everything. Now, I wouldn't be like this, that's for sure. But she's just too much for me. But him, yeah, that's who I would have possibly married if that was meant to be with my second ex. And every time I look at him, I'm just like, no. Like, no.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
that hurt in the VIP line with the V-Time and the East Run. Used to drive the Nissan, now she in a Pima. I don't want her.